remember that last week we worked on math facts like this. What kind of math fact is this? It's a doubles math fact. Very good. You're exactly right. It's a doubles math fact. And I know that it is a doubles math fact because they have the same number. And I have a strategy for that. Whenever I see 4 plus 4, I think of a spider. You are exactly right. I think of a spider. They have 4 legs on this side and 4 legs on this side. How many legs does the spider have? 8. So my sum is 8. Today, we are going to be working on something a little bit different that we did kind of start last week. It is called double plus 1 and double minus 1. Okay? So, I want you to take a look at these cubes. What do you notice about the cubes?
They're the same.
They are the same. So, it is a
Double
math fact. You are exactly right. However, this equals 8. What is wrong? Okay, it's wrong, isn't it? But how can I make this right? What can I do to my cubes to make this right? I could add one more, couldn't I? You are exactly right. I can just put one more up here. And then, will this make this right? Do I have 9 cubes now? Yes. So I started with the doubles, but then I added one more. So that is a doubles plus 1 math fact. So instead of having 4 cubes, I now have 5 cubes. You are right. Look at the 4 and the 5 on a number line. Where are they on the number line? They're beside each other. This is what we talked about last week. When the numbers are sitting beside each other, it is a double plus 1. It's a double plus 1. It's not a double. It's a double plus 1. Okay, so that's what we're going to be talking about today. Double plus 1. 4 plus 5 is pretty hard, right? But 4 plus 4 is a lot easier, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think so. So what we do is we double this one, and then we just add one more to find our sum. So what's 4 plus 4? 8. Plus one more?
9.
Did you find your sum super easy and super fast? Very good. Okay, now be careful. Because now we have the same thing, except, the sum is different. Are we going to add? 2 more? No, we're going to take away how many? 1. This is a double minus 1. Now, first grade, this is where we're going to have to be super careful. Minus does not mean this here, okay? It means that we have our doubles. See our doubles? But then I'm going to, in my mind, take one away from my doubles because it's a lot easier to think of my doubles than it is to think of this. How many cubes do I have now? 3. So 4 plus 3 is kind of a hard math fact. But if I double this, what's 4 plus 4? 8. Take away 1. 7. See how we can get to that a lot faster and a lot quicker by thinking of double first. So because my double or my addend was smaller than this one, I'm going to add one more here. Sir, can you put down your paper so you can watch what I'm doing up here? Because my addend is bigger than this one, I'm going to take one away after I double to make it a little bit easier and quicker to do those. Okay, does everyone understand? Okay, so again, we are working on double plus 1 and double minus 1 today. Okay, this is a strategy to help us do our math facts quicker and easier. Okay? Excuse me. So, is this addend bigger or smaller than this addend? It's smaller. So we are going to double it and then add one more. Okay, so what's 5 plus 5? 10 plus one more. 11. See our sum? Okay, is this addend bigger or smaller than this addend? It's bigger, so we're going to take one away. What's 5 plus 5? 10 minus 1. 9. What's our sum? Okay. Do you see the questions you are going to ask yourself? You have to constantly ask yourself these questions in math. This is a strategy we are learning to help us be quicker at our math facts. Okay? Everyone see what we're doing?